Her talent speaks wonders and now she has craved history. Ramona Yvette Pereira.
Thank you.
She has created the world record by performing Bharatanatyam for 170 hours.
I feel really proud to represent Mangalore especially.
Yes.
Even what if we dance with fire? I was like, what?
Fire.
Yeah,
Have you ever forgotten a step on stage?
of course.
Of course.
Planning for future records.
Planning for future
Yes.
records. Amazing conversation with our beauty here. Joining us today is the epitome of resilience, strength, and great talent. A person, when you talk to her, you can understand how humble she is, and her smile speaks of grace. A person, she is so extremely talented and so beautiful inside out. Her talent speaks wonders, and now she has craved history. And we have with us today Ramona Yvette Pereira. Can we have a huge round for her?
Thank
Warm
you.
welcome, Ramona.
Thank you.
How do you feel? How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great.
Yeah, she is the golden girl of Mangaluru. She has created the world record by performing Bharatanatyam for 170 hours. And yes, we all are so proud of you, Ramona.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, how did this thought of the world record, like 170 hours, come to you?
Okay. So it initially started with an idea of 24 hours.
Okay.
But while applying, I came to know that a thing called as dance marathon exists.
Okay.
And I could have gone for 130 hours, but I don't know why 170 exactly. Even I am
Yeah.
asking myself why now.
Okay.
But yeah, I was like, okay, I might be able to do it. So let's
Okay.
just try for 170
Okay,
hours.
170 hours, and that's
Yes.
great actually. I feel the previous record was 129 hours. That was
Yes.
by a girl in Maharashtra.
Yes.
But now you have created, you have set that standard so high, to like 170. That's absolutely amazing. And how long ago was it when you decided, okay, it's gonna be like the world record that I want to set, the marathon? Like, how old were you when you decided you had this dream?
This 24 hours, it was there since 3 years.
Okay.
But this 170 hours, just 3 weeks before it actually began.
Okay. Okay. 3 weeks before.
Yes.
So have you, like, you had your preparations for all of this? How did it go about, the preparations for this?
There was no proper preparation
Okay.
except for like mentally to get ready.
Yeah.
But practice and everything, it was not there. Like, how do you want me to practice?
Yeah.
It's like you start dancing and you keep dancing for 7 days. You keep
Yeah.
dancing your heart out.
Yeah.
So I didn't know what exactly to practice and how to practice.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. So when we say Ramona, we already know like Ramona equals to dance. And when you come to dancing, you are also like very well versed with even other types of dances, semi-classical, I feel folk dance, and even ballroom dancing, and even Bollywood hip hop. And my God, you're such a versatile dancer. And even I've seen you dance, and you're like absolutely beautiful.
thank you.
Okay. So, and I've also seen like now everybody, let it be Mangalore, let it be other states, and let it be even the entire India is so proud of you. Everybody's celebrating Ramona. How do you feel about this experience?
I wasn't expecting this, to be honest.
Okay.
And I feel really proud to represent Mangalore especially.
Yes.
And to represent India. I feel
Yeah.
very proud and honored, to be honest.
Okay, that is absolutely amazing. Everybody right here in Mangalore, each and every individual is so proud of you. When I guess you were performing there, like it was from Monday, that is on 21st of July to 28th in the
Yes.
morning, right?
Yes.
And I feel every Mangalorean out there, or even who was not a Mangalorean, who was so proud of you just watching how beautifully you danced. And when I say beautiful, we also say that, we don't understand the tiredness behind it, how it goes about.
Yeah.
So how was it for you? Like the first day when you started, how did it go about?
It was very unexpected. I thought I had set my mindset. I was like, okay, few days what we planned, what I was mentally prepared was,
Okay.
first 2 days are gonna be easy.
Okay.
Then later on it's gonna be very difficult.
Okay.
But it was quite the opposite.
Okay.
The first day only I was about to give up, Like
Okay.
after 9 hours, my body started aching very
Aching.
bad, especially my back and the
Okay.
places where I was already injured.
Okay.
Those
Okay.
places they started giving up.
Okay.
And I got a thought of giving up, to be
Okay,
honest, over
okay.
there. I was crying.
Okay.
But my mom knew that I'm a person
Yeah.
who won't give up.
Yeah.
Even though I tell, I don't.
Give up.
So she was like, okay, you see, however you feel, you do it.
yeah. She supported
Okay.
you throughout. I
Yes.
feel you had some of like your leg injuries, so that's why you were using the ice or something,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, and that might be really painful, but but with the record, we know how beautifully it has turned out. Also,
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So talking about all of this, and we also know that Ramona is Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar awardee. That is a great honor. You got to
Yes.
speak to the Prime Minister of India. How was your experience on that
Oh, it was very scary at that moment.
moment?
But and now it's still, even this record and that award, both are like a dream, you know.
Dream come true.
Yes. And I still am not able to believe it.
Okay.
And during that moment, the Prime Minister Award,
Yes.
they didn't tell me. It was not planned that, okay, this person is going to talk to the
Okay.
Honorable Prime Minister.
Oh wow.
Just 15 minutes before the award ceremony began,
Okay.
I got a call.
Okay.
I was like, Ramona, you're going to talk.
Wow.
I was so scared because just like now, I had cough. I had very bad cough and cold. It was bad. Like I was in a bad
Okay, yeah,
situation. And my main concern was what is the Honorable Prime Minister going to ask?
Okay.
How am I going to answer?
Okay.
So because talking to him is something very privileged, you know. it's-
Privileged. Yeah.
Yeah. So I
Not
was
everybody
scared.
does get a chance
Yes.
to talk. And how were you chosen for this? Do you know like how many other people were there? What was the procedure and everything?
I have no idea, but we were in total 23 awardees,
Okay.
if I'm not wrong.
Okay.
And I think that I'm the lucky one that
Lucky
who got
one.
to talk from the whole South India.
That's beautiful. Like God's grace is
Yes.
on Ramona Pereira. So also like we now talking about dance, and let's little go back. You
Yes.
know, go back and know how was your journey? How did it all start? You know, for you.
Just like everybody else, my mom has been my pillar, you know,
Pillar.
my backbone.
Okay.
So she is the one who introduced me to my first love, that is Bharatanatyam.
Bharatanatyam.
And it all started at the age of 2.5.
2.5?
Yes.
Wow, that time many like toddlers, they don't even know to walk, but you were like straight up, wow, Bharatanatyam.
Yeah, so that's the first time I ever met my first love.
Okay.
And since then I have been continuing.
With your first love,
Yes.
that is Bharatanatyam. Okay, like how was it for you? Like, did you love it at the beginning? Like, go to maybe 2.5-year-old Ramona would not be like, okay, I love it. But how did it go about your journey with it? How did it continue?
I might not have loved the half sitting during that age
Yeah.
because it's very painful.
Painful.
But I loved when akkas used to dance.
Okay.
Our akkas and when our gurus used to dance, I used to love it.
Okay.
So even though most of the time I used to not dance, I used to sit and watch them.
Okay.
So from there it grew stronger.
Grew stronger.
Yes.
And also you told your mom is your pillar.
Yes.
Can you talk few things about your mom? I personally, when you were performing the world record, I have seen your mom constantly looking at you. Maybe when you were not sleeping, even your mom didn't
Yes.
sleep. And she was constantly there. Can you say some few things about your mom and how she has helped you through this journey?
Yes. She's a strong, independent lady.
Okay.
Very sweet
Yes.
to others.
Definitely.
To others. No, she's very sweet actually, and she's very talented. She stitches all of my clothes, even this blouse and everything. She did
Wow.
it to me, and
Okay.
my costumes.
Okay.
She is also a bit into fashion designing
Okay.
and my hair, my makeup, and everything.
Because mother knows the best, you
Yes.
know, always.
And she's a really great cook.
Wow.
And she also gets wild ideas about my props and like dance. She
Okay.
gets really wild ideas.
Ideas.
Yes.
Okay, wild ideas in sense like you also perform with various kind of props.
Yes.
That is with glass pieces and hula hoops, fire. Yeah, like how did those ideas come into, picture?
My
Like
mom, of course.
mom, of course. Mom, when we turn it upside down, like we say wow. So mom
Yeah.
is equal to wow. Always.
Yeah.
So how did it come? Like how was it? Like she told you we can do it with this, or like what conversations you guys had, like for it to be come into picture? Like
No, one day randomly she was like, Eva, what if we dance with fire? I was like, what?
fire.
Yeah. It was like around 7 years ago or something.
Okay.
Like, what if we dance with fire? I was like, what? Like, what? I thought the candle wala fire,
Fire
because I
and
have
all.
been
Ha, ha,
dancing
ha.
with candles and everything. I'm
Okay.
like, okay, fine. Then she brought all those pots and everything. I'm like, why is she bringing pots?
Okay.
For a second, I thought she is gonna plant something or anything.
Okay.
Even though she hates, like, not hates. We are not like not much of a plant
Yeah,
person
yeah,
since
yeah,
we
yeah.
stay in
Stay
flat.
flat.
So
yeah.
it's very hard to maintain.
True.
So I was like, why is she bringing? Then I came to know her proper idea. I'm like, what
Okay.
did she meant by that fire?
Yeah.
And she tried it herself first, and she tried everything.
Okay.
Then she gave it which was safe.
Okay.
Once after she came to know, okay, this method is safe.
Okay.
Then she handed it over to me.
Okay. Wow. And since then you've been continuing that,
Yes.
like with props, or let it be like during the props time, like have you ever experienced injury of any sort? Like, you know, like when we say glass pieces,
Yes.
it's very tricky. When we say it's very easy, wow, it looks complicated, but we'll be like, no, it's easy. But then you seem it so effortless and it's so easy. Like, tell us about how it is.
When it comes to all of these props, it's injury is like my other name, you know.
Injury, wow.
Yeah. So getting burnt is a everyday thing now,
Thing,
and even
okay.
glass pieces going inside your feet.
Feet.
It's a everyday thing. After dance, I come take a safety pin and just remove it out.
Okay.
So it's me in. It's a like separate relationship, you know. It's a bond now.
Okay.
And there were stages like where the pot
Mhm.
got overheated and it just splashed, you know.
Okay.
And at that moment, you can't even throw it down. You can't even throw it to the audience because
Okay.
down carpet.
Carpet.
You can't
like,
risk it. You can't throw it to the audience.
Yes.
So you have to hold it in your hand.
Yes.
So all that is there.
Yeah, all that is there. But I feel all those things like mold you into a better dancer,
Yes.
an artist. Like, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So talking about all of this, like, can we talk about like, I heard that you also have a brother. Can we
Yes.
talk about your brother also?
Yeah. So my brother's name is Ronaldo.
Okay.
At present, he is in London
Okay.
and he is a chef.
Chef.
Yes.
Wow.
And he's a really great cook.
Okay.
He's a very beautiful, talented artist. He
Okay.
draws really well.
Wow.
And he plays instruments.
Okay.
And he's good at annoying me.
Definitely.
Yeah, that
Every
was-
sibling is always good at
Yes.
annoying you.
So that one point is must over there.
Okay.
And he's a really good photographer. and
Photographer.
videographer.
Wow,
Yes.
that's very nice. Maybe he clicks very pretty and beautiful portraits
Yes.
of you and all of
Only
that.
if I beg him. And if I'd be like, okay, I'll give you my chocolate. You
Oh.
have to click my photos. Fine. Then he agrees.
He agrees. So, who is the naughty one at home? Like,
Oh,
who
my
is-
brother.
Definitely.
Yes.
Sure. Like
Yes.
we hear that like second. Even I am a second child. Everybody, my mom will be like, "Antun jo," like they say in Konkani.
See, they say it. We know the truth.
Truth. Yeah.
Second
So-
ones are like good ones. you
Good
know?
ones. We are the good ones. Always.
Exactly.
So that's very nice. We got to know. I got to know you also have a puppy. Like
Yes,
no,
yes.
dog.
Yes.
Yeah. So
So we are really great animal lovers.
animal lovers.
Yeah. We stay in a flat, so we have a small puppy,
Okay.
a pug.
Okay.
Her name is Cookie,
Okay.
and she is a baby.
Oh, baby, that's very
Yeah.
nice.
And we have a squirrel.
Oh,
We
wow.
rescued her
Okay.
around 4 years ago.
Oh wow.
So at present, these both are at home. But
Mm-mm-mm.
we also had a pigeon, 2 crows, and a hamster.
Like we say, animal lovers. That's why.
Yes, and we had turtles. All these were like rescued.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have fish and
Okay.
everything.
That's
So,
nice.
yeah.
That's beautiful. And coming along with your Bharatanatyam journey,
Yes.
as you tell, so we know that a guru is someone who's really, really important in our life. And as we all come to know, like with your mom, there was also your guru who was there.
Yes.
Can we all know more about her as well?
Yes. My guru, Dr. Sri Vidya, she is my inspiration.
Okay, Dr. Sri Vidya Murlidhar, right?
Yeah, Dr. Sri Vidya.
Yeah.
Yes. So I address her as Ma.
Ma.
Yes. She loves us all as her own children, and she is with me, standing strong with us since more than a decade now.
Okay.
More than a decade. And whatever steps I took, she has always supported me for
Supported,
that.
yeah.
Yes. And when it comes to that stereotype mindset, when all these comments come, she's the first one to stand there as a wall, and she stands up for me.
Like a strong pillar as
Yes.
well, along with your mom.
Yes.
Wow, that's beautiful. And have you ever faced like the challenges, as we say, like we come from a Christian community? Like there will be stereotypes saying that, okay, like Bharatanatyam, it's from a different community. Like
Yes.
have you faced some of the backlashes or like comments when they say like, oh no, you should not be doing this and all
Very
of
much.
that?
It's going on now as well.
Okay.
And all this criticism, it started from way back when I was 2.5.
Okay.
There are few of my friends, I can say, their parents who told me like, Ramona can never be a dancer. She doesn't has the body language of a dancer.
Okay.
So my mom was like, okay, future will tell us. Where
Yeah.
God takes us, there we'll go.
Yeah.
So then it just went on, and yes, we got a lot of comments on Bharatanatyam is not yours, Bharatanatyam is ours, and all that. But my question to them is very simple. Is it written anywhere that this art form is meant for these people? It is
True.
not written anywhere,
Absolutely.
and even the God Himself didn't tell that, okay, this is meant only for them.
Them.
It is never
Yeah.
like told like that.
Yeah.
So why are y'all creating it?
True.
Allow the people, allow the art lover to do what they love.
Love to
Yes.
express themselves.
Yes,
via
exactly.
dance. Yeah, and Bharatanatyam.
True.
So, if you have to describe Bharatanatyam in one word, what would it be?
Love.
Love.
Since the first, I think it's my first love. Yeah.
Yeah, that's absolutely like wonderful and beautiful. Okay, so what are your future plans? Like your goals have you set? Now you have like I would also like to tell the audience and other viewers that Ramona is now a 4 world record holder.
Yes.
Can we also talk about the other 3 world records?
Yes.
Yeah.
Those records were in the year 2017.
Okay.
And those records were like I performed for 1 hour continuous without
Okay.
any breaks.
Okay.
And I used almost 30 to 40 props.
30
Props
to-
like, yeah, fire and
Okay.
everything. 30 to
Fire
40.
and maybe like the
Glass, everything.
Okay.
So that was my world record of all those 3.
All those
Yeah.
3. That's absolutely amazing. And the 170 hour
Yeah.
marathon. As we know, like from past 1 week, like we've seen
Yes.
everywhere, also the social media and everywhere else, we are like celebrating Ramona. Maybe yesterday in college, we
yeah.
had yesterday in sense it was the 1st of August.
Yes.
We celebrated in St. Aloysius Deemed to be University. We celebrated Ramona for an absolutely breathtaking performance that led to a world record, and that is of 170 hours. And she was looking beautiful, and even now she looks beautiful. So, can we talk about college now? As
Yes.
you are a student and you're final year student
Yes.
of St. Aloysius Deemed to be University, can we also know like what support college has given you?
I guess even you know, I know
Yeah.
that St. Aloysius Deemed to be University is the best. The best. And when I told the Vice Chancellor,
Reverend Father Praveen Martis,
SJ, when I told him, like, Father, I want to apply for 24 hours, he was like, okay, I'm going to go for it. He didn't even think twice.
Question, he never does.
Then when I told him, like, Father, 170 hours, he was like, Ramona, what about your health? He didn't doubt me over there. But he was like, Ramona, about your health. I was like, Father, let's
try. Give it a shot.
Yeah. So he was very supportive. Very. The whole college, the staff, faculties, and the students, student council.
Council, definitely.
Yeah. The student council were there the whole night.
time.
And there were few staffs and my friends were there up whole night. Few staffs, teachers, lecturers were coming around like 3:30 in the midnight just to watch my dance.
To motivate you.
Yes.
Shout, Ramona, go!
Yeah. And this whole record happened in our college.
Yes.
Robert Sequeira
Hall.
So, yeah, there's a lot of support.
Yeah, a lot of support even from students, faculty,
Yes.
staff, and like I feel like words cannot describe how
True.
beautifully they have supported you throughout your journey.
Yes.
Yeah, and also I would like to ask about, like, you are getting so many comments, so many wishes from everyone. What is that one wish maybe like has been very extraordinary that you'll be like, wow, I didn't expect like such a review from people.
Very recently, the official page of India
Okay.
had posted a reel and a post
Okay.
saying that Queen of Bharatanatyam.
Wow.
And I literally cried
Aw.
because that meant the world to me.
True.
The official page of India posting that, it was something very unexpected, something unreal, but
Unreal,
now
surreal.
real. Yeah, so that is
That is one
yes.
thing that you got. You're getting a lot of, like, also I one more thing that I noticed, like, followers are like spiked to like 30K.
Yeah.
And like that shows how much people actually are realizing there's a true talent, a hidden gem. And yeah, your smile can only tell people how amazing you're feeling right now.
Yes.
Okay. So going about, like, do your friends or anybody in class, like, have they always supported you even in class, or like, was there any other backlash or comments against that?
No.
No.
Actually, to be honest, I told you that all the comments are coming.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So all my friends from college and outside college, they comment back. They stand up for me.
Stand up for you as
Yes.
a pillar
Yes.
again. Okay.
And a few of my friends who like finished their college life in Aloysius and now they are in Bangalore and everywhere, even they are commenting. They're
Yeah.
standing up for me.
Like-
So more like friends. Aloysius is family.
Aloysius is always a
Yes.
family. There for you, standing strong like a pillar.
Yes.
And now let's talk about your schooling. Like, as you told, like, you've been going to so many events and award functions, programs, and all of that. So, what was that one moment you felt like, okay, I have achieved something in life? Like, when you were small, when you were young, like, what was that one moment that you were like, okay, I've achieved something, I want to achieve more now?
I guess it was in the year 2019 when I was in
19.
9th standard.
Okay.
My Ranga Pravesha.
Ranga Pravesha.
Yes. Ranga
Okay.
Pravesha is a event that means a lot to a Bharatanatyam dancer.
Okay.
And I won't tell it is like a great achievement type feeling.
Yes.
But it was a feeling like, okay, I just started my journey in Bharatanatyam.
Bharatanatyam.
That feeling.
Okay.
Like, okay, I just started my journey in Bharatanatyam by starting my Ranga Pravesha.
Okay.
And I have to give my 100%.
Yes.
That Ranga Pravesha is everything.
Wow.
Till today, if anyone asks me, like, Ramona, send me your Bharatanatyam photos, I send my photos of that 2019 photos.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm a person who has no knowledge about Bharatanatyam, and also there might be viewers who don't know anything about Bharatanatyam. So can we go according to how it goes about? What and all is there in Bharatanatyam? Many people have no knowledge about it. So can we please also talk about that?
Yeah, sure. So, Bharatanatyam is a ancient dance form, Asian classical dance form.
Yeah.
And one thing I would just say here is, people give up very soon. They join Bharatanatyam and they leave within 2 days. Why?
Okay.
Because you get thigh pain.
Yes.
And that is very common actually. Even if now I'm on break, now
Okay.
when I restart going to dance class, even I'll get those.
The pain,
Yes.
yeah.
So it is forever with you.
Mm.
And yeah, in Bharatanatyam, the fun fact is we have exams.
Exams, even in Bharatanatyam,
Yes, we
Okay.
have junior exam, senior exam, pre-Vidvat and post-Vidvat.
right? Okay.
So these are the exams we have. We have Viva, practicals, theory,
Okay. Oh.
and everything. And when you come into dance, Sangeeta is must.
Must.
They go hand in hand.
Okay.
And education-wise, we have masters and PhD in Bharatanatyam.
Bharatanatyam. Wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's a very vast topic.
Topic.
Very vast. Yeah.
Okay. So, I got to know also that like you would want to do your PhD in
Yes.
Bharatanatyam, and how did that thought come in your mind that you want to do a PhD in Bharatanatyam?
My guru, Dr. Sri Vidya, she has done her PhD in Bharatanatyam.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you were like, even I'm gonna follow her footsteps,
Yes.
and I'm gonna. That's really nice. As a student, as a like a budding student who has so many things like studies on their plate, other things, extracurricular activities, maybe family time, friends, like how do you balance all of this? Like, what do you do?
Uh, as a student, I guess it's very common that we study last moment.
Last moment. Even I'm a student, I can agree 100%.
Yes. But at the same time, the subjects which I have chosen, especially literature and history,
History, yeah, your two majors,
yes, it's something that you can't study last moment.
Yeah.
So my main focus is I have to focus 100% in college in class.
Class.
Whenever I'm attending the class.
right? Okay.
So that is one thing.
Okay.
Family time. My mom comes with me everywhere. She comes with me everywhere. So yeah, family time covers up over there.
There only.
Yeah, and personal time, me and my dance.
You and your dance.
Yes.
Always your first love goes hand in hand.
Yeah.
Even like when you were in school, was it difficult for you, like exams and everything? Was like teachers supportive? You studied in Padwa, right?
Yes.
Yeah. From which grade did you study in Padwa?
7.
Seventh.
Yes.
Seventh onwards to PUC, you continued in
Yes.
Padwa. And I feel even they supported a lot for
Even
your
few of the lecturers, they came during this world record.
world
to support
record.
me.
Yeah.
So yeah, even Padua institution, they were awesome.
Okay.
They also supported me a lot, and they are still supporting. Yes, even they are like, it's a very beautiful college.
Beautiful
The
college.
lecturers are very supportive.
Supportive.
Yes, very
Wow,
much.
that's amazing. Yeah. And when we talk about like college, school, and studies, okay. Next thing is like, what are the challenges that you have faced? Like challenges, as we say, like you're a dancer, and as a girl child also, we
Yes.
face a lot of things. Like criticism, also there's one thing. But like in the society, what are the things that you face?
Especially being a Christian girl, Bharatanatyam dancer.
Like there's like Christian girl Bharatanatyam dancer.
Yeah. There's a lot of criticism.
Okay.
And thanks to my mom, I have heard how to just listen 1 year.
From 1 year? And yeah.
Like, and other thing is like, when people say during this world record, few people told me it's humanly impossible. And I was like, okay, I'll show it to y'all.
We know Ramona as, nothing is impossible.
So that Hata thing.
Hata.
Yes. So that one character I have got from my mom. And I'm very lucky
Okay.
that I have got it. So yeah.
Wow,
a lot
that
of
is-
criticism, just hear it and leave it.
Leave it.
Or take it as a competition. Sometimes,
Competition.
yeah.
Or take it as a, constructive criticism.
Yes,
Take it in a
yes.
way that you can work on yourself and get
True,
back there also.
true, yes.
Yeah. And talking about, we have had so many conversations. Also, when we say Bharatanatyam, it's like, it has, like that devotion to it. Like it's so beautiful as an art, we say. Can the viewers also know about like an act that you can, with your expressions, or a form that you can show them? How you can, like, if you have to express now, how would you do it? Like,
Sure, I would love to say thank you to everyone, every
Okay.
single Mangalorean.
Mangalorean.
Yeah, so
Wow, hats off. With your eyes and that beautiful smile and with that grace on your face, definitely. A thank you to all the Mangaloreans also. We have got a
Yes.
thank you, guys. That's beautiful. Okay, so as we know, like we have also gotten to know that you teach, transgender people,
Yes.
and you also teach like mentally, unstable people. Like, how can we go about it? Is it a task, or do you enjoy it, and how is it all?
I love it. I love it because they have a talent which we don't.
True.
And they're very dedicated when it comes to art. They're very dedicated.
Yeah.
And teaching someone who is so dedicated towards art is my privilege.
Okay.
And especially when I teach these special kids, they perform Yakshagana.
Yakshagana.
is
Very
really hard,
difficult, yeah.
Especially with the costumes, heavy costumes, and the dialogue to remember, it's very difficult. They do it.
Okay.
They do it, and they're very interested. They are ready to learn any dance form.
Any dance form.
And yeah, it's just them and their dedication towards art.
Art.
It's just next level.
Okay.
No one can match.
No one can
Yes,
match.
no
Yeah.
one.
Okay, so as we spoke so much about like your dance, Bharatanatyam, and we expressed the love and how everything is for you. I would also want to know, and the viewers also would want to know that about the criticism part. Like how did people support you, and how is it going for you now?
Um, to be honest, the Mangaloreans,
Yeah.
this whole world record was so that unity was there.
Yes.
Even the most unexpected people, the ministers and everyone, they came not as ministers, but they came as a person who has that dedication towards art. They came to support, and it was like it was very emotional. The whole
Yeah.
Mangalore became one, and I'm grateful to each and every single Mangalorean. The few people who have a bit problem, but we can't help
it,
because
we always have some people
yes,
like
okay, if one person talk, let them talk, but I have 100 to support me.
support you.
So yes,
Yeah, like they are standing strong as a pillar.
Yes.
Yeah. And what's your mother tongue?
Oh, my mother tongue, being a Christian, it's Konkani.
Konkani. Okay.
Yes.
So far we got to know so much about Bharatanatyam and the dance and the beauty behind it. And I would like to ask you about like the support from the Mangaloreans that you have gotten.
I am grateful to each and every single Mangalorean because they came in, everyone were like united. This whole world record thing, Mangalore got united, like excluding their positions in the society, especially the bishop, the
Ministers also, yeah.
and excluding the religion as well. Everyone came together as an art lover. They came as a people who love art, who were dedicated to art, and the whole Mangalore became one. So I'm thankful to each and every single one of them. Yeah, there were few people who didn't support, and like 1-2 people, but I'm having thousands of people supporting me.
Thousands,
so yes,
more than thousands now. It's lakhs together, and like millions of people out there. They are like the queen of Bharatanatyam. And I would also now like to ask, now you set a world record of like 170 hours. And how was it for you from day one? Like many people have these questions like, how were your breaks? Did you even sleep? What you used to have? And can you please also tell all of us like what was it about?
So it's a rule of every world record. You dance for 1 hour, you get 5 minutes break. You dance for 2 hours, you get 10 minutes. You dance for 3 hours, you get 15 minutes. 6 hours, 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So this is the break system. And I went for one structure. We can only follow one structure. That is 3 hours, 15 minutes.
Okay.
So I stuck with that from day 1 to day 7, day and night. And sleep, it's a big no. So 7 days I didn't sleep.
Oh my God.
I got a rest like where I had to close my eyes and I was just laying down. But of course, no sleep again.
No sleep again.
And food and everything, I could have eat rice, dal and everything. But I personally wanted to avoid all those. And I was stuck with fruits.
Fruits, ORS maybe, and you have your energy drinks and all of that. Okay, that's good. But it is also very like, now I feel like the importance of sleep when someone asks you how important and precious that is.
Yes, very much. Like final days I started hallucinating and it was so bad.
Yeah, in what way? Like, how was it for you?
It was more like a horror for me. It was very creepy.
Oh my God.
I was talking to very random people. I don't know who I was talking to. And I don't remember any of that. But when my mom comes and tells, I'm like, please don't tell about it. It's so embarrassing. I don't want to listen to all that.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Tell me everything after the 7th day. I'll listen.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, that is one interesting fact because everybody was so confused. They're like, no, there's no chance Ramona didn't sleep and all of that. But that is amazing. That is yet another testament that, oh my God, I have crossed that. I did it. That's beautiful. Even one more thing that I would like to ask, like you have your dance crew called the Horizons.
Yes.
And I feel they were also there throughout, supporting, cheering, motivating you. Can we also talk something about them?
I would like to, especially the boys, I would love to address them as my Pookie boys.
Okay.
Because I saw each and every single boy over there of my team crying.
Oh my god.
And it was so cute. Like, it's very,
very emotional,
rare scene
yeah.
that you see a male best friends
Crying.
and females, of course,
Because they are emotional. Yeah.
females are emotional, including me. But male, it was like so unexpected, and they were also the strongest pillars for this, because they were with me since the day one even began.
Okay.
They were with me. They were like, when it came to planning and we had to make few report team ready and
Yeah.
everything, they used to bunk their classes just for my sake to help me out.
Wow.
So they were there and they left their home. Few of them fought with their parents. Like 7 days, I'm not coming home.
Coming home.
Yeah, they're like, parents are like, where are you staying? College. So all these things
Yeah.
happened. They stayed over there in
Okay.
college. And they used to bring food for me.
Okay.
They used to be like, I'm sorry for doing this. They used to bring fried rice or anything. Like, kaale nahi to tappan marunga, like that.
Way.
It was like that.
Okay.
They were so concerned. Like,
Concerned.
tappan marunga main. I'm like, koi baat nahi, you eat, I don't want to eat.
Eat.
I was like that.
Yeah.
And and few of them got fever as well.
Ayo.
And the one situation I would love to say is, I will not take the name,
Okay.
but one of my friend, the dedication, it's like so much. I was hallucinating the 6th day or something. Everyone was sleepy. This was in the middle of the night, around 4 o'clock in the early morning. He was clapping. He clapped and he just slept like that. And again, he's like this. He's just sleeping like that, and again he's like this. One thing, I am sleepy. I just looked at it and I'm like, sir, could you please check him out? Something is wrong,
Wrong with him. Maybe I'm also wrong. Maybe I'm seeing someone else also.
At a point, my other friend also, he's sleeping and all of a sudden he started dancing like this. I'm like, sir, please, you check them. Don't check me. You check them.
Check on
Something
them,
is
yeah.
wrong with them. So
Yeah.
all this was happening, and now I'm getting to see all the videos. Few of them are sleeping under the chairs of our
College, yeah.
Yeah, they're like under. We were going searching for them, like flashlights and everything. I'm
Okay.
seeing all the videos now.
No.
Oh god.
Yeah. And yet, like, you have these all little moments and everything.
Yes.
You can collect them and you be like, wow, like this was an experience. There's so many people out there who
Yes.
love me.
And all those videos are gonna go up on their birthday.
Wow.
And I'm waiting for their birthdays to come.
Okay.
And one thing I would say is this thing. After my world record, I went to the hospital just to get a checkup.
Yes. General
Observation.
checkup,
Yeah. So around 3 hours I was there only in the hospital. When I came home, all my Horizon people are there. They're sleeping. Okay. My Horizon people, they took shifts. Like during the world record, okay, daytime mein hum तीनों बैठेंगे. These people will go home, rest.
Night they'll come.
Haan.
Other people.
So this shift was happening, and it was happening.
Happening.
They were sleeping around 6-7 hours, and they used to
Oh
come.
my god.
Okay. And last day from hospital, I just came back. I entered. These people are like laying down. I'm like, dude, are you alive? They're like, huh? Huh.
Even they are also hallucinating.
Yeah. I was like, you slept, the weekday, at least you slept for 1-2 hours.
Yeah.
Get up. It's okay. It's okay. You finished. No.
No
And I
world
was to
record. Now
sleep.
done. Yeah.
Yeah, like, get up. I am the one who should be sleeping.
Sleeping.
Get up. I felt so jealous that I was like, no, I'm not sleeping and y'all are not sleeping. Get up. And I woke them up. In the end, I have to pour water on them. Like, get up. No one is sleeping.
No one is sleeping. I'm sleeping.
Yeah.
Okay, that is beautiful. Like everybody out there was there supporting
Yes.
you. And wow, that is, it's very rare to find such people who can be by your side throughout.
Yeah.
And that is amazing. Also about your Bharatanatyam class, even they were there, no,
Yes,
throughout
yes.
supporting you.
Yeah.
Wow. Like, would you like to talk about them as
Of
well?
course, there are few akkas in our dance class who go to work. They used
Okay.
to finish their work and they used to come sit in the night till 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
Okay.
And we have the Natvangam in Bharatanatyam. It's
Okay.
the tala, gives
Okay.
us grip. It's the heart of Bharatanatyam.
Okay.
So they used to come and play it.
Okay.
Even my ma'am's son, Abhiram, he used to finish his exam and he used to come and sit. He used to play. And the last day I'm seeing their hand, it's all bruised, you know. I'm so grateful for them. And even like few of them, they were not even thinking about their health. They just came. They put leave to their college work and everything. They came and they were sitting and cheering.
Cheering.
Yes, they were like right in front of me. They were dancing with me. Even my Horizon people, they don't know Bharatanatyam.
Okay.
They learned Bharatanatyam in the 7
because-
days.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing. Like beautiful to see when like
Yes.
all people come together cheering.
Yeah.
Let's go, Ramona, you can do it. That's very nice. I would like to talk about your inspiration that in one of your interviews you had mentioned about Father Saju George
Yes.
SJ.
Yes.
Would you like to talk about that?
Of course. Now, as we spoke before, Bharatanatyam has no religion.
Yes.
So he is a strong example I can give. He being a priest, me being just an ordinary girl, yes, but he being a priest, I was just thinking of the challenges he has faced. And he is great. He has composed so many songs and everything. And it's just like he's my inspiration.
Inspiration,
you know?
yeah. You know, like he is that one person who'll be like, wow.
Yes.
You know, he showed it to the people that, you know, Bharatanatyam doesn't have any bounds, religion,
Yes,
or it's
true.
stuck to one community,
Yes.
but it's like an expression. That's beautiful. Okay, going about other things that we would like to talk about. What message you would like to give the young little girls out there who would look up to you one day, be like, wow, I want to be something like Ramona. I also want to, like, you know, achieve something as great as Ramona. What is that message you would like to give the young kids, or, you know, in this generation, the youth?
Yes, I feel like this present generation is a generation that gives up very soon, you know.
True.
I have seen that, I've noticed it everywhere. They give up very soon. You go for one program, something happens, and they're like, "No, I'm gonna leave dance."
Okay.
That negative thing comes.
Yeah, negativity in them, yes.
And to be honest, I told you on day one, I got the thought of giving up. I cried, but I'm happy that I didn't give up. If I would have given up, that regret
would be there
yes,
in you.
I have few of my friends who would be like, Ramona, I went to dance class, but now I regret. That word regret, it's because of you. You only created that regret in yourself. So whatever it is, no pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain.
Very simple.
Yeah,
line.
like you
But-
need to work hard to
Yes.
achieve something great,
Yes.
but you know, someday or the other you will get it,
Yes,
but you
true.
should not give up.
Yes.
That's a beautiful message. And I would also like to ask you this one question. Okay, 7 days you were inside that hall dancing continuously. What was that one thing that you wanted to do just after you finished, like you finished your world record?
There's so many things that I wanted to do.
Okay.
Okay. First, I'll go with the very formal one.
Okay, the formal one for the formal audience.
Yes. I wanted to see the sun.
Okay. She wanted to see the sun because she
Yes.
was inside that hall.
Yeah. And I wanted to sleep.
Yeah.
Second thing. Third thing, I wanted to go to my favorite restaurant and eat.
Yeah, that is.
That two, one is McDonald's and then we have Kapila Bakery.
Okay. And
Yeah.
I feel you have gone to both of them.
Yes, of
Yes,
course.
definitely. She has gone to Capella and also McDonald's.
McDonald's, of course.
We should know our priorities straight
Yes,
after whatever
true.
we have achieved. That is amazing. Yet, once again, we see like there are so many people out there, you know, who go through various kind of struggles. Maybe they are not, you know, they don't, their parents don't really support them. You know, they have a kind of atmosphere. They don't have the privilege to do something that, you know, they can. Like maybe like they also would want to do Bharatanatyam,
Yes.
but they would not get that opportunity. What would you like to also tell the parents? Like, you know, tell them and like, why is it so important?
So I noticed that most of the parents are like, steady, become that, become this. So one thing, good news to the parents, even Bharatanatyam we have to study. We have
Study.
exams, you know, government exams. And there is PhD in Bharatanatyam. You get good jobs and everything, especially government jobs. And yeah, that is one thing to the parents I want to say. There is scope in education and dance both hand in hand. Even theatre, when it comes,
Yeah.
there is like educational course in it.
Courses.
And one thing to the parents is that I know you want them to become doctor or engineer or whatever it is, but did you ever ask your child what do you really want to become? Because if the parent gives the support a child needs, then that child might reach like
Heights.
heights, yeah.
Can achieve
And
anything.
exactly. But the only thing, like, okay, fine, your child might have become a doctor or an engineer, what you might have wanted them to become. But are they happy in their life? That's the main question.
True.
So just make sure that your kids are happy. Yes, don't allow them like completely free. That is also there.
Yeah.
You should be aware of what is happening.
True.
But like allow them to be happy.
Allow them to, do something that they truly desire.
Yes,
And like,
exactly.
they also know that they can achieve this.
Yes,
Parent support is really, really
important.
And as your mom is always there with you
Yes.
throughout, I feel that's how you have also reached to this
True.
position.
True.
That's amazing. Okay, except like this is one more very curious question that I always wanted to ask. Like Bharatanatyam is your form, your art. You
Yes.
say that. What is that other thing that you would want to do if not for Bharatanatyam was ever in picture?
I would have chosen if I would have somehow found Bharatanatyam.
Bharatanatyam. Yeah.
Somehow I would have gone there.
There.
But
Okay.
if you're telling in a context that like Bharatanatyam is not there,
At all never existed.
then I would have gone to some other classical dance.
Classical dance. For sure.
Yes.
Oh, that's like after Bharatanatyam, which are the other forms that you actually want to learn? Are there any other form that you would love to learn?
So many, and I guess this one life is not enough to learn all. And I want to learn every single dance form.
Okay.
From our every Indian classical dance, Mohiniyattam, Kathak, and everything, to the Western classical art forms like ballet, contemporary, and everything.
Okay.
Yes.
So you want to learn everything.
Yes, at least a basic
of knowledge
everything.
of
Yes.
everything. That's amazing. That shows the dedication that Ramona has to learn and even like not give up until she achieves that. Okay, coming to the end of the podcast, like we spoke so many things. We spoke about your schooling, let it be your journey of Bharatanatyam, your hobbies and stuff like that. Hobbies, when I come to, I think I didn't actually mention the word hobbies, and I just wanted to know what are your other hobbies?
Okay, one is to annoy my mom.
Annoy your mom.
Yes.
That even I love doing.
Yeah. Who doesn't love doing that?
Yeah.
And then, of course, annoy my sibling. And eat, sleep.
Eat, sleep.
Binge watching.
Binge watching. What do you like
Yes.
binge watching?
Anime, any documentary.
Anime. Okay, you love anime.
Yes.
So that's nice. Okay, those are your hobbies and everything. That's also very nice. From that time, we were having some serious conversations here and there. So, would you like to have some fun also? Like some questions that we have.
Of course.
Yeah, we have some yes or no questions, and we also have something like this. So, this is yours for now. Okay. We have gotten some questions from the audience.
Okay.
And I would like to read it out. It might be some simple questions, something that even I'll be surprised to read. So let's see what it is. Do you practice Bharatanatyam every day? No, obviously it's not possible. Have you ever forgotten a step on stage?
Of course.
Of course. Okay. Do you love temple jewelry when it comes? Yes, definitely.
Yes.
Which girl would not love
Exactly.
temple jewelry? Okay. Is Aramandi painful? Yes. So basically for the viewers, Aramandi is something like it's a deep squat pose. Like as a Bharatanatyam artist.
The
like
half sit.
Half sit.
Yes.
It's very painful.
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever danced barefoot on a hot stage?
Oh, so many times.
So many times. Might be
Yeah.
very painful.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. So, do you enjoy doing Abhinaya more than Adavs? Abhinaya is expressions and Adavs is steps. Yes.
Of course, all the Bharatanatyam dancers might agree on this.
Okay. Expressions is what keeps, Bharatanatyam going
Yes.
also. Yeah. Have you ever skipped a class and regretted it later?
Yes. Many times.
Many times. Okay. Do your friends ask you to do a Bharatanatyam pose randomly? All the time.
All the time. Yeah.
You have your poses, right? Your signature poses. I've seen you like lift your leg and your squat
Yeah.
or all of that. That's beautiful. Okay. Do you feel powerful in full costume?
Yes. I
Always.
guess all the dancers, we feel that months after we are in our costume, we
Okay.
feel all like,
You know, you have that energy within
Yeah.
you. You'd be like, yes, I can conquer and do anything.
Yes.
Okay. Have you performed? This is a very silly question from the audience, but have you performed in front of 500 plus people? More than 1,000, I would say, not 500, but yes,
Yes.
definitely. Do you secretly enjoy makeup process before a show?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Because it depends on the weather and the temperature.
And the mood.
And the mood,
Mood.
obviously. Okay, last one. Have you danced in the rain outside like Bharatanatyam? Oh yes, that's a solid yes. Wow. Okay, these are some of the questions. Thank you so much, Ramona.
Thank you.
Oh, there were actually a lot of like questions regarding Bharatanatyam, and maybe viewers are very excited to know also more about
Yes,
them.
very excited.
Thank you so much, Ramona.
Thank you.
Yeah, like I would like to take the property back now. Okay, so as we have come to the absolute end of the podcast, you know, all the questions are done, all the curiosity is gone. It's more comfortable now, and I feel
Yes.
viewers are also like they have a clear picture of who Ramona Yvette Ferreira is.
Yes.
The beautiful, gracious, and humble person, and absolutely breathtaking. Yeah, and the final question that I would like to ask you
Yes.
that now you have 4 world record title. You're that holder, 4 world
Yes.
record holder. So, are there any future, world records that you have in your mind? You're planning to?
Planning to, but not exactly like what to do.
What
but
to do?
I'm planning for future records.
Planning for future
Yes.
records. So, we would have more of Ramona, the queen of Bharatanatyam.
Yes.
And yes, we have come to the end of this podcast. Thank you so much for all the viewers for viewing this beautiful podcast. We got to know and learn so much more about Bharatanatyam, the beauty and the art behind it. And yes, it was an absolutely amazing conversation with our beauty here. So thank you so much, everyone. So thank you to you also,
Thank you so
Ramona.
much.
Yeah.